The word application is very useful. It shows up in many places, like jobs and technology. Let's explore it together. Application means a formal request for something or the act of putting something to use. It can also mean a program on your phone or computer. Many learners confuse application with just asking for something orally. Remember, an application is often written and formal, not just a casual question. Common phrases are submit an application, job application, college application, and software application. You can also say application for something. She submitted her job application yesterday. I need to fill out a college application. This app is a great application for language learning. His application was accepted. John wanted a new job. He carefully wrote his application and sent it. A week later, he got a call for an interview. His effort paid off. Think of app in application as a tiny program or app you use on your phone. This helps you remember that application can mean a useful program. Remember, application means a formal request or a useful program. Try using it today and share your examples in the comments.